to Curracloe Beach, one of Ireland's most breathtaking coastal gems located in County Wexford. This stunning beach stretches for kilometers, offering pristine white sands and crystal clear waters that are perfect for a day of relaxation or adventure. Whether you're here to soak up the sun, take a refreshing swim, or enjoy some beach sports, Curracloe has something for everyone. Explore the picturesque dunes and discover scenic walking trails that provide breathtaking views of the Irish Sea. It's a nature lover's paradise. The lush forests bordering the beach create a serene backdrop, perfect for a peaceful stroll or a quiet moment of reflection. Curracloe Beach also has a touch of Hollywood magic. It was the filming location for the iconic D-Day landing scenes in the movie Saving Private Ryan. This connection adds a unique charm and a sense of history to this beautiful spot. The nearby village of Curracloe offers all the amenities you need, from cozy cafes to convenient shops and accommodations, making it easy to extend your visit and fully enjoy the area. One of the great conveniences here is the free parking space available close to the beach, making your visit hassle-free and more enjoyable. Curracloe Beach is also perfect for a vacation day barbecue. Bring your grill, gather your family and friends, and enjoy a delicious meal with the sound of the waves in the background. Feel the breeze and let your spirits soar with some kite flying. The wide open spaces and steady winds make Curracloe ideal for this fun and relaxing activity. Kids will absolutely love Curracloe Beach. The soft white sands are perfect for building sandcastles, and the gentle waves provide a safe and fun environment for swimming and diving. Friendly destination. With its natural beauty, ample amenities, and a variety of activities, Curracloe Beach is a must-visit destination Ireland's East Coast. So, whether you're seeking relaxation or adventure, this coastal gem won't disappoint you. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Curracloe Beach. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel adventures. See you next time. Bye.
Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications